Finally, I have a question. Do chiropractors just crack bones?
No, they don't just crack bones. The sound is actually the gas releasing from the joint. It's like when you open a can, a soda can. And the purpose is not to actually make that sound, but it's for the movement of that joint.
Huh. Okay. Thank you so much.